Okay. Let's go over this. There are multiple ways of solving the problems with the power of 2. This is quadratics. Class, what are the multiple ways? Okay, factoring is your X box. What else? Quadratic formula. Completing the square. You can graph it. Or the easiest method in this problem is square root. So you can solve this problem all multiple ways, but I'm probably just going to use the square root method. What does that mean? You have an A value and you have a C value. You don't have a B value. You don't have 6x. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 26. I'm left with 2x squared equals negative 36. You cannot take the square root at this time because you cannot take the square root of a 2. That 2 would still be there. Does that make sense? So I would have to divide by 2 here. I have x squared equals negative 18. To get rid of the power of 2, I'm going to take a square root. X equals plus or minus. The factors of negative 18 are negative 1, 9, and 2. So here I have the plus or minus. The square root of negative 1 is I. The square root of 9 is 3. And where's the 2? Our answer is x equals plus or minus 3i radical 2. Raise your hand if you got that. Alright, let me make, this was an algebraic solution, but let me show you guys a graphical. And if you get to this point right here, x squared equals negative 18. That's essentially x squared minus 18 equals 0. We just learned about transformations. This is shifted where? Oh, that's not right. Plus 18. That would be shifted up 18 units. So your graph's going to look something like this. Class, does that touch the x-axis? If it touches the x-axis, then you're going to have real solutions. But because this does not touch the x-axis, you're going to have solutions that are complex, and those are actually graphed on a different coordinate system, which I will not show you now, but at least gives you an idea of what's happening.